Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how to translate the research question into research hypothesis depending on the nature of problem. At the end of this video, you will develop competency to prepare a research proposal. So let me define a research proposal first. It's a structured document exhibiting the entire research program. Any specific study needs a framework in advance to tell the research problem with more clarity. Let's understand why research proposal is important. Firstly, the problem that we propose to investigate is significant enough to warrant an inquiry. Secondly, the methods we propose to use to execute the study is feasible. Thirdly, the results of the study will be original in nature, otherwise there will be some fresh insights in the topic. Usually, the proposal is a request for sponsoring the proposed study. Hence, research proposal must be a bid to win. How can we convert a managerial decision dilemma into a workable research question and prepare a convincing proposal? This needs expertise and perseverance. It's not at all an overnight triumph. I don't know, have you ever attempted to prepare and submit a research proposal? If you have not attempted so far or were unsuccessful in the past, this is your time. In the rest of the video, we are going to talk on the contents of a research proposal. Let's start with title of the page. Title page comprises of title of the study, researcher's name, institution where it is to be submitted, institutional affiliation of the researcher, and the date of submission of the proposal. Executive summary is a broad overview of the study on the management problem, academic concern, method of approach, and expected outcome. In the introductory section, the researcher will define the concept, explore various views on the concept, and delimit the area of study. In the background of study, the researcher will give a detailed account of the rationale of the study with logical arguments and management dilemma. Then the researcher will give a critical review of the scholarly works in the topic concerned and identify gaps in the knowledge level. The researcher may attempt to address the entire research gaps identified or some of them depending on the scope proposed or the scope of the proposed inquiry. Once the research gap is identified, then a clarity is attained about what is to be left to be investigated, that is presented in terms of actionable objectives and research questions. Theoretical framework displays how the variables in the study are related to each other. It can be given in the form of a graph or text. We had sufficient discussion on hypothesis, hence I would like to skip it here. Research design presents a tentative outline of the implementation of the study, detailing the source of data, volume of data, collection of data, and tools of analysis. The significance of the study indicates the potential outcome of the study and the beneficiaries of research outcome. Timeline shows the total time frame within which it is completed, with the breakup of various activities involved in research. Since the cost aspect of the proposed study is very important, The budget allocation must be rational and justifiable. The last part is reference. I hope you have got sufficient confidence not only to prepare a research but to evaluate as well. Let's summarize what we have learned in this session. We studied meaning and importance of research proposal, contents of a typical research proposal,